my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a brand new to me subscription box. Little dog back there, that's Jack. We call him Little Dog because he's our littlest dog. We have my paper box. They reached out to me and asked me if they could send me a box for me to show to you guys and give you my thoughts. And I said, sure, sounds awesome. I love typography. I love notebooks. I love calendars, planners, paper, office supplies. That's just my thing. So I was really excited when they reached out to me. Let me tell you a little bit about this before we get into it. This is a subscription service, and I'm going to look at my screen right here and let you know exactly what are you doing back here. Exactly about this so that I pass on the correct information. This one over here. Oh my goodness. There he goes. Okay. So this is a monthly subscription service. You can choose between the grand subscription stationery box or the mini My Paper subscription box. The grand box is $28 a month, and I'm going to read directly from here for you. Our grand subscription box will be filled with personalized stationery products. Each month there will be a new theme with products from notepads to thank you cards. Your paper box will arrive just before the beginning of the next month, just in time for you to enjoy your new stationery set for the month. Everything will be customized just for you. That is one thing I like about this. My name is quite unique. My name is Favor. So it's really unusual and it's hard to find anything with my name on it. So whenever there is something, I love it. I absolutely love it. I grew up in a print shop, so my mother would personalize stationery for me all the time. And I miss that. I miss having things with my name on it. So this is just perfect. Okay, so there's also the mini, which is three monthly personalized notepads per month, which is what this is. This is the mini. Our mini subscription includes a set of 3 personalized notepads. Each month you will receive custom set of notepads personalized with your name. Each month there will be a new theme. Sign up by the end of the month to get the current subscription. Notepads will be shipped on the 4th of each month. So, and that is $10 a month. So you can pay monthly, and there is a kids version as well. So if you have a little one that you'd like to send something like this to, and you know they'd love it, that would be excellent. So grand box is $28 a month, or $80 for 3 months, $150 for 6 months, or $285 for the entire year. The mini box is $10 a month for 1 month, per month, month to month, $29 for 3 months, $56 for 6 months, and $110 for 12 months. So there you go. Okay, so let's get inside here. Let's see what's in here. I'm very excited. In all transparency, I do receive a small commission if you click on my link. I will leave both my link below and just the link to straight to the site. So if you don't want to click on my link, you are more than welcome just to go straight to the site. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh, how pretty. Oh, look, it's so pretty. Okay. This is so special to me because, as a lot of you know, we did just change our channel name. And so she contacted me just before that announcement. So this is my very first personalized item with the channel name on it. And that is so special to me. These are beautiful. All right, everything comes wrapped so nice and neat in this little wrap here, and it says My Paper Box on it. And it comes in this nice little envelope with the front cover on it. All right, so this right here, the first thing in here. Oh, I don't want to take this apart. It's so pretty. There we go. Beautiful little notepad. Look at that. It says Life with Favor on it. I absolutely love it. Isn't that adorable with the pretty purple and pink flowers? It just is spring all around. Oh, I absolutely love it. That's wonderful. And then this one is this type of notepad. It's sideways, so it opens just like this, and it says Life with Favor with the same matching flowers all around. Isn't that adorable? That's so cute. I absolutely love that. Oh, that's fantastic. And this one is the best one. It has lines on it. How fantastic. Look. I absolutely love it. $10 a month. Fantastic. And it's personalized for me. It can be personalized for you with whatever name you want. Maybe you want your business name, or you want your personal name, or your kids' names across the top, or their initials, or whatever it is you'd like to personalize it with. They can do that for you. That is excellent. I love this. I'm so excited. Oh, yep, you're gonna see a lot of this in the weekly vlogs. I love it. Awesome. Well, there you go. That's my paper box, and this is the basic box. So I hope you'll check it out. I hope you'll give it a try. Again, my link is below, as well as a link straight to their website. So go check it out. They also have a store. So what I thought was really neat is there's a store. So they have notepads. They do printing and gift cards. They have all sorts of things on here. Some beautiful theming, beautiful decor, like notepads with beautiful graphics on it. I just think it's beautiful. And you can have cards done, postcards done, all sorts of things. So go check out their website. It's very unique and I really, really like it. There you go. So go check it out. Go get yourself a subscription. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you next time. Bye.